Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create an on-page scroll pop-up using PopupKit for WordPress. This type of pop-up triggers when your visitor scrolls down a page. First, make sure you have the PopupKit plugin installed and activated on your WordPress site. If you haven't done that yet, install PopupKit first. Log into your WordPress dashboard, go to PopupKit Templates, browse the template library, and pick one that fits your campaign. Click Use Template, and give your new pop-up campaign a name. Once loaded into the PopupKit editor, open the campaign settings from the top right corner. In the Settings panel, go to the Content tab, find the Open Event setting, and choose Page Scrolled. Now enter the scroll percentage, for example 50 to trigger the pop-up, when someone scrolls halfway down the page. Customize your pop-up's design and message. PopupKit also has advanced settings, where you can fine-tune animations, behavior, and display conditions. Finally, publish your campaign to make it live. And once it's live, you can track its performance using PopupKit's built-in analytics. And that's it. Now you know how to create a scroll-triggered pop-up with PopupKit.